In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a link and insert it on your Microsoft Word document like this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, now I have here this article and I wish to insert this link in my Microsoft Word document. Now to do this is quite simple. First, we need to go ahead and grab the link for the article that I wish to insert its link. And here is the article. To grab the link, go ahead and click on the link here. And then using Ctrl+C, you can copy it, or you can just right click and then click on copy. Now that our link has been copied, it's time to go ahead and create a hyperlink. To create a hyperlink on our text, you need to go ahead and identify the anchor text for the link to be inserted. For my case, I wish this link to be inserted under Meet Global Mice Congress here. I'll go ahead and highlight it. And once you are done, now you can right click on it and you should see we have this option called link. You can click on it. Alternatively, if you go to insert here, you can also see we have the same option for link here. Click on it. And this will now take us to this insert hyperlink page where we can insert our hyperlink. Now make sure you choose the first option, existing file or web page, because this link is our web page link. I'll choose this. If you wish to modify your anchor text, that is the display text, you can change it to anything that you wish. Once you're done, now you need to go ahead and paste your link under the address here. So I'll go ahead and using a combination of Ctrl+V, I'll paste the link here and then click on OK. Now, if you go back to your Word document, you can see the link has been inserted here. Now, if you click on this link, it should take us to that web page that contains more information about the article. To do this is simple. Just go ahead and press on Ctrl and then click on it, and this will directly take us to the article, and here it is. This is the article. So that's how you can insert a link into your article in a Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.